All right, you're doing great so far. If you're following along, I hope you're feeling well. And in this video, I'm going to show you a few more commands and, more importantly, just a little bit of some tips and tricks so that you can get around well and know where to go beyond this course if you want to go deeper into the command line. Okay, so you have your command deal here. And right now, I just want you to watch. I'm just going to use the command line a little bit. This may be a little bit of a refresher, but I'm going to speak aloud. Just watch. Okay. I'm in the command. Where am I? pwd. OK, I'm in the castig folder. What's in that folder? ls. I can see all the folders. I want to go to my desktop. cd space des tab. I'm in the desktop. I'm moving around things. Now pause. Just now. After a while, you may be typing a lot of commands, and this may get really messy. Trust me, once you start doing stuff with Rails or Python, this will fill up rather quick. Now, if at any point you want to start again, you can just type clear, and it's going to clear everything there. So that's just one way to kind of clear everything. Another way, which I think I showed you already, is you could just close it and then just start again, make a new one. So that's kind of a tip there, clearing everything as you go along. The next one is if you do clear everything and you start again and you're like, oh man, what was that command I typed? Well, of course you could always come back here and look at the lecture notes. But short of that, an easier way is, check this out. Press up, that little up arrow. Every command that you've ever typed is being recorded by your computer. Not like in a Mr. Robot kind of way, but more in just a log on your computer so that it can help you out. This is just something that you can use to help you remember things that you've typed. And so you have those there. You can click up. If you go through them, you go down, back through them. And now every command is there that you can check out. So that should be really helpful. And I do that, and I do clear, and we're back. So now you know you have those available to you as well. When you're going through folders, I showed you ls, right? And that lists everything out. Now, what you might not know is that there are folders on your computer that you cannot see. What the hell? They're called invisible folders, or hidden folders, actually. Hidden folders. And they usually start with a dot. Let me show you how you can see these. If we do ls like this, and then I pass an a to it, that's what this is called. If you make a space and you do a dash like this, it's called passing an argument, right? So if I pass an a to it, like that, I get to see all of these folders here on the right that are available. Remember, open dot means all. I get to see all of those here, but I'm also seeing these invisible folders, which means that there are folders or files here that I cannot see. And that's really interesting because as you are setting up your computer, the command line is going to give you access to certain files and privileges of your computer that you may not have as a normal user. Aha, that is powerful. That is really cool. That is how hacking begins, right? Because you now have privilege and access to like the inside of your computer that you can't quite get to with your mouse and hands. And this is where stuff will start to get powerful. So this is just like a window into that world where you can see we have ls, and I'm just passing in this argument here.